Abbasi Industrial Production Company started its activity in 1990 by the Abbasi brothers in the field of manufacturing dairy separators under the Abbasi Industrial Production brand. The company's goal and effort is to improve the technology and smartness of its machinery and products. In recent years, with doubled efforts in diversification of machinery, the company has targeted the production of filling machines as well. Moreover, with high technical knowledge, this company has become one of the best in producing and designing various food packaging machinery. In 1996, with the complete equipment of the factory with the best manufacturing machinery and employing excellent specialists, it obtained the operating license from the Ministry of Industries and succeeded in obtaining the ISO 100-04-2018 certificate. With round-the-clock efforts, this company has been able to produce cup filling, bag filling, juice pressing, UF cheese filling, bucket filling, and form-fill seal machines and has been popular among customers in terms of quality. Due to the increased demand of customers for longer shelf life of milk products, the first priority in the manufacturing line was to produce the 1-liter ESL bag filling machine, which was delivered to the first customer with satisfaction and adherence to the relevant standards. This company has also designed and manufactured sterile machinery with longer durability of equipment parts. And we will soon witness the construction of the first prototype of a sterile packaging machine.